Supersonics Money Transfer is giving you an unbeatable offer this Tobaski. Your family and friends can now send you monies from the whole of Europe, US, Canada, and Switzerland for absolutely free. Yes! This Tobaski, enjoy our safe, fast, reliable, and convenient money transfer service with the largest payout network in the Gambia at zero transfer charges. So your family and friends wouldn't have to worry about transfer charges when sending you monies from Europe, USA, Canada, and Switzerland this Tobaski. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple Store today to download the Supersonics Money Transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics. Support your own. Tobaski just got better with Supersonics Money Transfer.
Una kusha, una kabo, una welcome back. This is not the program una be wait for. Them big one they be wait for. Them picking they be wait for. This is not the Curio Corner. Curio Corner. This is not the program what they bring for all Tiwete una wansi. This Curio Corner they touch all sides by the Curio community. This corner they talk about the culture. And you don't say any tribe, the culture, na the backbone of any tribe. This corner you go bring for una aku politician. This corner go bring for una aku fashion designers them. This corner they bring for una aku celebrities them. If una wasabi if aku footballers then na the country, una follow me with na this corner. Una they get aku artists them. If una want see aku cook man them. If una don't dare na us for long, una don't forget una cultural food there. Una can na this corner. If una know how if una want know how for cook fufu, una can na this corner. If una want know how for cook blasas, una can na this corner. This corner they bring for una anything what you una want see. This corner go bring for una everything what you una want see. Well, this corner una go bring a for una na una aku pikin, aka Salima to Bangura, the aku pekito. Now that. Guess what? Now the aku pikin. Well, me fumble them what I can tell you, say the Curio Corner, we do all kind corner. Today we guest now a very special person, a very possible no say he don't touch many youths them life today now we guess. Well, the Curio Corner, me don't tell you say we know they should at the studio no more begin fabricate stories there. We know they should no more begin listing what the people that they talking and that they do. We they come up with self we can't find out the we Creole legends there what we get in Gambia. Today we guess what we get for now. I'm not saying I guess what no say in a touch on our life in one way or the other. And I guess what no say many people let they see but not they sabi say yes, this na the Mr. Kande Tarawali will no say all man sabia. So then and we guess today na guess then me guess.
Me na been in Sanya BDC secretary. The last BDC. Na me na been the secretary. Right now me na member of member of the Sanya BDC, but I just did it for advise them because my experience is too much.
Well, me from William, this not just tip of the iceberg. This not Mr. Tarawali. We guess, this not just small no more for of what he do. More just go in.
You take me on aware.
Take him on awares.
I talk past that.
Well, me from William, this na the Curio Corner. Tell us the Curio Corner. You go bring for everything.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Alhamdulillah. My name na Kande Tarawali. I stay in Sanya.
So Kande, tell me a brief history about yourself. What they say Kande now? Who done a Kande?
Well, Kande means chief. Kande means a chief. Me grandpa na been chief. Na in name then give to me. So formally, in fact, the time when me grandpa na chief, it been too charitable. It been the pull Sarah too much. So because it been the pull Sarah, then get one Nick surname, false surname, when I been Baraka. So even where them put me in nursery school. you know, na guardians, not to me, my parents then train me. Na guardians then train me, Okumarabu then. So we then take me go school. Now I name Kande Baraka. So now I'm in the paper there. But the Baraka is not very popular in Gambia. So my family in Gambia, and I then say, well, as we not traveling, there you Gambia ID card and other documents there, like TIN number, let them retain the kind of traveling. So now make now me na kind of traveling. So my mama been very popular na from Banjul. My mama first stay na number 2 La Sowap. E como Banjul. That time I been Batos. E como number 2 La Sowap. E transfer na 14 Kent Street. Then Betts compound. The late Jibril Betts. When Jibril Betts die, na Fata Bet na take over the compound. When Fata Bet die, when them picking when I been Abu Bet, we been the Freetown. Now I come, take over the compound. Himself, he don't die. He don't die about 2-3 years ago. You see. I didn't know, but I communicate with people in Abakau, Banjul, and Serekunda. Then when Mama died, God make me niece, then call him Hadiketa. Formerly, na been cashier na JRA, the former JRA, what they call income tax. So God make one Akuman with the Kololi, the United States. The United States, I don't forget. Nine help him. So they go United States. We go United States now open saloon because it been the work Nigeria, but at the same time this hair business in the practice and small now open. So that saloon we open Atalanta. So that saloon we open Atalanta. Now help him. It help you small. Look, I know the work, but look, I get sitting chair. I get them all and all them are money. So then my mama born 3 times na Banjul. 3 times. Okay, so the family na the eldest. Myself I travel with them visiting visa extensively up to France and Germany. Africa, I know about Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. I know about Monrovia, Liberia. I know about Conakry, Guinea. Guinea. I know about Guinea-Bissau. I know about Senegal. Dakar, sometimes I can go for excursion, then come for excursion for 1 week. At the moment, me na marketing and marketing, gardening, and agriculture. Now me they do. I begin buy some blue, eau de Savel, starch, the kilo. For that, I begin practice business. I get my business registration certificate. Because time passed, big money can Gunju. So they want for share among the people that will do petty business. But they don't get business registration certificate. One man we been the smoke fish now. Gunju Beach, we don't call Yusuf Adabo. Now I know more being get business registration certificate. So from that time, they advised Gunju people for going to Attorney General's chambers for try for business registration. So myself, before I go get sponsorship, I get them, I put on them. My TIN number they with me. Now me, na business TIN number now I not get it because if as soon as you take business team number, you for begin pay tax straight away. Now make no hurry for take am.
So after this rich history about your family background and everything, what do they tell them people that will say I could not get like they no do no important, they no get no important at the country, they no do nothing when it comes to the development of the country. What do they tell them?
I could plenty in Gambia and then get sound education. Any government will come from Sadauda and Tem, from the term of Sadauda there as Prime Minister till he be President. In government, I could not plenty because then get sound education. If you not get sound education, you not go be minister self. Na lie than the lie. I not believe. I not believe for say I could not plenty in Gambia. If you want for no say I could plenty in Gambia, I go back out. We fumble I couldn't. Then plenty na back out. Then plenty na Segakunda. Most of them big church I with them build. Me na Muslim. But na I couldn't na then at the head. You see. Even the Okumarabu Mosque. Then Okumarabu then na aku Muslim. So I not believe in that. Aku plenty in this country and then get sound education. Any government who can na power na Gambia. Aku plenty there. I could have plenty there because I get sound education. Because if you don't get sound education, they make you minister, you're not able to do anything. You see. So I not believe Pandan talk then. I could have plenty in Gambia.
So what now you take in this new government who we don't get so? We can see say from where His Excellency Adama Barrow will step into power, it don't register a new party. So you as an Aku person or Aku man living in the Gambia, we know say we all get equal rights for we all get equal say and when it comes to making decisions like the government. So you what are you taking that? How you see the in rule in general? At
the moment me na UDP na me the support. But at the same time I'm not biased. If Adama Barrow even they do good, if they do good work, I will talk the two. But from where Ishidom 2016, me I not see better work. That man Macky Sall where he take as big brother where the Senegal. Now the money advice they take, and Senegal na a country of himself. Gambia has a country of himself. It better let Adama Barrow using brain for administering people in Gambia rather than for take the advice of Macky Sall. So me, I'm not satisfied with in administration. Adama Barrow, in fact, according to my observation, I don't know what in administration. Because if you know administration, good for administer people then well. You see, plenty talk there about Adama Dissing rule. I the doubt self next general election whether I go winner. I don't know whether I go make even make them by force. If like the main opposition party, then beat them by a very very wide margin. Even go and rig the election, you not go succeed. If you agree say the incumbent rig the election. It could be said then beat them by a very narrow margin. But if they beat you by a wide margin, even the economic way in the Habopa, you not go succeed. So this not my reply.
So today we don't see just few days back, even get a tour where you do where go back for go lay foundation stones where go and say they use that they ask for campaign for the 2021 election. So you want to know you taking that?
Nana miss up your observation. Because all this time 4 years now is done. You know do anything in the way election the near say they go do foundation and that particular place in Anyomi now it don't lay foundation stone. But the money we go get for adhere the the project. Malaikum salam, you know get them. They're not go able. Then after I visit Basse, the strong people then where people they have palm for say for Bakam, they not come out safe. Now some few small picking then we they share with in our Facebook. So me demand get better popularity than Puelan too much this latter part. So I mean reply and
you think say na in or na advice for them because some people let they say in demand not be sabi about politics. So na advice for them they can advise and what you they do so all. What are you taking?
Yes, the advice within the jam now they make mistake because I don't understand say even young born mama advise and say resign because if you they rule people the majority no want you if you resign. But the one them with the advice they give them some small money. This small money now attract them. Where then they tell us say no agree. Even me Sanyaya na me born mama na say atap na Sanyaya. For my buy this place in 1998. Na mother house have been built self. Na mama say if na mother house build because Combo people if then they sell place you don't know they sell them. Very expensive. So if you know hurry for developer no more than go jog and and for the past 30 years I did sanya na my observation down if they sell place you don't know they sell them very expensive. But if you not agree for developer no more than the jog and so even the young family and they do unto them. What more of the person will come for stay with them.
So you early on the interview you say you na UDP member.
Me na strong UDP member. The chairman na Sanyaya, are very close to her, na me guardian. And if me guardian a chairman for a party, God make that party they win. And me intention na for do good business. God not go make it left me behind. So me na strong UDP member.
But they say I couldn't no mix from politics. But couldn't say that they say I couldn't they just stay in the corner. They no mix from politics.
But if you know you right, if you know you right as a Gambian citizen, if I not be one mix from politics, I not go hurry for go find this new ID card. I don't go find my put on. You see, na lie then they lie. Plenty. Look, Banjul, plenty aku dena politics. Even this working Malik Law, Wuna Mayor. Yes, now we love. But if you observe in way of living, na like aku, because aku den na neighbor, na them footstep in the fellowship. You see. So a lot of people in the lie. I couldn't depend politics. Plenty depend politics. This man, Khalifa Salah, if you, they all know our love, but if you observe them, na Creole habit then get. So a lot of people in the lie. With the Gambia, we observe what thing they happen. I not believe pan and talk then.
So pa all because as you say now we don't get boku political parties them na the country. Why make you choose the UDP?
Why I choose the UDP? Me I observe for say UDP then get plenty people pass all the other party there. For example, the last time they say coalition for Adama Bago for be coalition flag bearer. Okay, but that coalition flag bearer business, some party them in there, like we na Sanya within the interior. If them some people them in there, if them put them box individually, 2 votes serve that people not go see na them box. You see, now UDP make Adam Abago get plenty vote. Which are you going to know for say now UDP make Adam Bago get plenty vote. We coalition people don't vote for coalition. Then after they say now the parliamentary all party for stand by themselves. We now KKB. Now we choose now combos out there. What we choose look, now majority leader. What we choose you get plenty vote pass all man in the whole country. Now that makes them make a majority leader. Then you go find out for say out of 48 seats, UDP get 31 seats all in the parliament. So me, who's a majority, then I me the support. If I go support side way majority no dey. Later, I go shame. Now that make me a support UDP. Past happening can make a party get plenty people. Because out of 48 seats within go parliament, UDP 31 seats now then get. You see, so down they clearly show everybody in the country for saying UDP then get plenty people there. And if they get plenty people there, if you get aid, now they for support. But if you not get aid, you go support sideways when plenty people don't know it. Okay, this other man said, na new man na the politics, Mama Kande, but instead they do well. According to my observation, 9 next to UDP. 9 next to UDP, because APRC, yes, they're good for 22 years. But yeah, Jame spoil all their character, spoil their business. Because of been they kill, they lock people then, they sack people then I work. You see, and they been too tribalistic.
But according to them, they said Yahya Jammeh had just been the flag bearer, but Yahya Jammeh not affect the party. But APRC na APRC.
No, I don't believe in that. The leader now, people that they put all, they always put Yaipa. If the leader not do well, even Hussein are the best defense lawyer in this country. If Hussein will not be to do well in law business, this respect to get elected, they no get her. You see, so yeah, Jammeh. Okay, we'll see. Election they come back, but APRC na lie and they lie.
So this year election now they enter the state house.
By God's power, we enter state house.
UDP go enter state
UDP
house.
UDP power, we enter state house.
Yeah.
We UDP, we UDP.
So you, as your own observation, some people let they say the UDP on a flag bearer. Wanna Usainu Dabo. Some people like to say right now you don't hold for me, he go stand as presidency. So you watching are you taking that? It's still if you still continue or if you left and give the young ones them one day, because we'll see UDP as a party, it's big. We get a lot of talented young people inside it. So you think say if I move lend give the young people or instead will still go and stand for the flag for
well we the people that waiting at the forefront of the UDP, we don't decide say 9 for win, 9 for stand, 9 for be the flag bearer. We UDP in fact na youth party, a party where the youth plenty. I don't know whether I will actually hear but one youth organization na Sekunda. Them picking and they get and them plenty. You see. Usainu, yes, it don't hold, but if we get a chance, it be flag bearer, a win. You know, we go put on a corner, we give chance to the youth them.
Hope say in go agree because we don't see say even Adam Abaro will be the enter power. He say in a 3 years no more the rule for, but now they see how they can go for the 5 years. Hope say we will vote him in as President in Honorable Usainu Dabo. Hope say himself go give way to the youths them.
He go give way to the youths them. Nothing we don't see them, we don't discuss them. Adam Abago na it disappoint we. It disappoint we not in the field say how we behave so we go behave that way. Now because some people then they behave now. For example, na dictatorship will come up. Come up and dictatorship because of that dictatorship of Yahya Jammeh. Then United States, then European country them. don't know me they look support we like that financially. Okay, we Adam Abago tell them say well in the can to democracy like the one within England. Now they are all glad for send big money for them. Up till now, then they send money, IMF, United Nations, all they send big money. So this big money where Adam at the control right now, the one they with the BNM, now they are Abupa, then the advice are wrong. You see, Adam Abago in self, Kiwan for will be fine. But the one they with the BNM, the advice, now the first president I see get plenty of advisor. Like that Dudu Sano. Dudu Sano, then if we win, in Australia, this country, we're gonna win. You see? So, look, most recently, you are with the Abupa. Where Makama Kundadi. Then go Basse, we get big population. Because me a credit union member. The last credit union, World Credit Union Day. I've been go Basse. I know say Basse na populated place. Adam Abago this last minute he go there. People do not come out for welcome. So me Adam Abago do want the advice and the advice and good. Like that them go by force back out. They know the advice and good. Dudu Sano, they know the advice and good. You know, plenty people then with the advice and they know the advice and they know say this man a new man a been businessman. A new man na Gambia politics. Then for advice what in majority want, then for advice but what in then the minority need. Okay, for example, then people are then confused. For more than they register them party. Up to now, they don't inaugurate them. You see, they for inaugurate them. When they inaugurate them, now that time they will go. We, for the past 24 years, be like we strong. UDP strong. We're very, very strong. Be like. And I'm quite sure we'll do well. Even we now, we're in the suburb now. We make frequent meeting. Last Sunday, we got for choose the executive, but some of we because of we age, we get me are not being well safe. Corrite and Tobaski are not being quite well. Now at the pico, that clean one I see in front of the gate. Not today I do. Now me one do, but are the better now. I go to my family in California. They take care of me because me grandson na medical officer. Again, you family sister na Amdala. So he married my sister, then he married somebody na Amdala. Then in Jal picking with the Atalanta, and they take care of me. Then call her Hadiketa. You see. So some of we, according to we age and we health, the youths them will go for move very fast. Now they will get executive position. Some of we will get small education, we would advise them no more. Na we in situation now. Then we get a place where na UDP member na give a place. You know make love by himself. Well, this man Alaji Aliu Conte Gunju because you know na a good money man. Na Malik Lo now we for do the foundation stone. But we invite them all. The top UDP people there, we invite them. The 17 now go the foundation stone. Then we put the building up. Now most recently, now one build we UDP office so that we go able for manage the affair Nasana.
So you're a strong UDP member. You believe say
I know everything where they gone. This Brikama, where the Abupa. Brikama, then they make the able make the able puel. Brikama Sadauda. Brikama Sadauda. Water and light business. Now then take Putando. So this Brikama. Anybody who win na Brikama. Brikama not Brikama Central 1, Central 2, Brikama South. Anybody who win a Brikama, Bin Laden, I go take the government. So I believe so go winner by God's power.
So more move from the politics side, because this is not the Kirio corner. Every audience they are not saying ki like for Yeri if we guess today instead of sabi the traditional aku food them. Also of the traditional aku food the way you sabi.
Asabi kasala leaf. And kasala leaf means asabi kuka. Asabi potato leaf. Asabi crane. Asabi supabona okra himself. Asabi plenty plazas there. Even dry okra in sauce. I will cook for myself.
So you will cook?
Yeah, me and two men me. We it go na kitchen. I do go in picking and they go play. And they go play football, do all kind of things. But we then me a 5-star hotel. I work there as barkeeper, cashier, waiter. Till later they make me supervisor. In a 5-star hotel. The first tourist hotel in Africa, we don't call Kipsara Hotel. Now we opened in 1971. The first boy picking I born in 1977. Now 43 years now. Me both European dish and African dish I will cook all. Then Granat Nyankata Asabi Kuka da Granat pap porridge Asabi cook all that and they well.
The potato leaf, you know, so most of them, especially them boys, then we Kirio people, and now what they men now, so they know too deep for land this cook this other thing there, so they begin join the life for say now cook na woman get her, cook this get her. So what is the lesson right now you go give there? I for start for cook the potato leaf.
The potato leaf. For me I can cut on. Where I cut on, I put on. Then if not like smoke bunga, I want to take for cooker. I pick them, I put on. Then this dege now making take for cooker. So I can cook with this other pounded granite like this. So I can cook with this. So I can cook with this. But me now this I can take cooker. Both cassava leaf and potato leaf. Now this I can take cooker. Even me crane. Now this I can take cooker for less sweet.
Okay. So what in the advice where they give them bobo then now what they talk say now woman they no for cook, they're not for green a kitchen, so something like that.
Okay, if you not learn for cook, if you go Europe, because Europe now you want to get for dinner flat. If you go Europe, you say the small salary when they pay you, now for go restaurant all the time. You not go for send anything for the people them back home. But if you shall be cook for yourself, because even in Europe, then we African things there, fish, pepper, all, then Cameroonian and they take all like France for sale. So if you not learn for cook before you travel, later if you travel, you go Europe or any other side, you settle down. Then you get small. Because anybody will get small, if they send small for people then back home, you not going for send anything because restaurant is too expensive. But when they cook for yourself, look, I cook till I get small where I put down. Where if I cook back, I not go buy this. You see, so let them learn for cook before they even travel. Then even with then dinner, they not go anyway. Let them learn for cook. I think that will help them. Economy, you see.
So because they say they almost have a curio for the dressing. When you say curio man, they say bembe this na real Creole man. You, what is your favorite attire? How you can dress?
Well, the real Creole man, where the real Creole man within the civil service, it can like for wear coat and trousers and dressing short and necktie. You see, none of the civil service dress. Okay, like them Muslim dresser, now then kaftan and trousers and cap. I know I want to see me face clearly. Now show me the dress, cap, kaftan, trousers. You see, then you wear them slippers where they come out Senegal and other places. That's why I can dress as a Muslim. Yes. Then as a Christian, also coat, trousers, because I attend Methodist Boys High School, na Creole school. You see. So then like Sierra Leone where I train. Discrimination not the pensée this is not Christian, this is not Muslim. The Creole Christian, the Christmas, and the Muslim then can enjoy and pass themselves. Then the Muslim them festivity then like this Idul Fitri, Idul Adha. Now the Christian then can enjoy and pass, and then the cook send for each other. So discrimination not dependent in you see. Then even Gambia, that's what I observe. Because plenty Manjago than there, when are Christian, I'm a good friends them. I'm a good friend. Till some of them in the field self say, me later I combat. Because for example, time been passed where then St. Francis picking out in common school. I had to go with them the area there because I did Manjago them plenty. Then I quote Moses in the burning bush. I say, take up, God talk to Moses. He tell Moses, say, take up their shoes from off their feet, for the place where thou standest is a holy land. Then the field say, sometimes me have been Christian, I combat. The high school where I attend, if you not do Bible knowledge, na zero you go get it. And if you get zero, you not go before take first position, second position, or third position. Now that make we be the first we serve for do the Bible knowledge. But originally, from great papa them, mama them, we are Muslim. I know about Al Quran. I know about Christianity itself. I know about Mohammedanism. I know about Christianity. Now make like me, person not go fool me too much.
Yeah, we don't see this past months. We don't see say COVID-19 what he destroyed Iboko. So you as Aku person, you as an Aku man, will not say I can say you are a role model to many.
Yeah.
So you how COVID-19, how did this coronavirus, how it affect you personally?
This it affect me personally because now one girl picking again as Sanya, he did grade 6. From March, they not to go to school. They sit down too much. And some picking them if they sit down house, because me girl picking, I been married in mama. Then young girl then na Gambia, na the mama then can control them married. Me mother-in-law be known that itself. So me girl picking they to in mama. Any mama you know putting aid for land to that extent. About grade 4. Now I stop na this and lower basic. Okay. I don't know whether a mama would say go study. Because if you do it to me now, I would say study. Or miss I would study. So down the all na disadvantage to me girl picking. I don't know whether a mama would tell her say study. Because even you don't know because of corona, if they get small. With family in California, back of Willinkama. All man would not use all educate. The time where the corona begin, now I'm not being well, I've been short of blood, I deal with them. But the body would grade 9, before grade 9 exam come, them they study. Yes, the one them with the grade 7, grade 8, all then they study. The one them with the lower basic themselves, then they study. We can make sure say they study. Don't forget. Now that make this grade 9 exam will pass. The two Hussein and Hassan, they say they do well. Result not come out, but they say they do well because they study.
So this COVID-19, we don't see say the government don't put in a lot of rules and regulation, which add up to this nose masks, social distancing, stay at home. You don't go to, you don't see yourself the curfew. We don't say by 10 o'clock or not for day inside. Some people, like they say, the government they use this COVID-19 sickness for get money to themselves. Because when they catch you without masks, they pay money. When they see you outside during this COVID, the COVID night, then they pay money. So people like say the government use that money they for their own pocket. So what are you taking that?
This particular sick will affect the whole world. Because look Brazil, the thousands of people over there, they look United States. They say 210,000 in the United States. We look up to this last minute, the president, he depend debate, then he affect and God make, then some don't get their own tablets then with the manufacture. So God depend 2-3 days the better. Okay, me personally I abide them. Before 10 o'clock, I lock myself now, I open radio. Because I don't get television now. Why they to me family them, I do television everything. Day. Okay, I abide by. Then if I dey travel na be cool, I dey put face mask. Me na two I get, na two face mask I get. Me I not believe in that statement they wouldn't make because this sick will affect all sides. If na Gambia no may affect, something I go believe small bit. But na the whole world will affect. Something will affect the whole world. If una government they try for do prevention is better than cure. I don't think say una for opposer. Me personally I abide by all the rules and regulations where they apply. Me I abide by all. If I dey travel, I do go with face mask. You see, I dey make sure I wash my hand with soap every day. Every day I dey sell Odosabel now. I can mix Odosabel and Omosep for wash my hand. Then I get the block soap sep where I dey take for wash my hand. Because we credit union, Jambangeli credit union. I dey at the board, I mean at the treasurer. Then they be even supply with some soap sep where we take for wash wear. So me I abide by all the rules and regulations of the corona where government tell me for do. So me I not believe their statement and the way they make. I not believe
so if you be the face His Excellency Adama Barrow right now, like if you face him right now, what's advice you go give him or what you go tell him facially? If you in the listing you right now.
I go tell Adama Barrow say majority of the Gambian people them na them vote in. So if you know listen to the advice of the majority of the Gambian people, if you not take them, then go vote them out also. Let make sure you do what the majority say. According to applying your experience, you forget about the selfish people there with the advice for their own selfish end. So now this advice me I go give to her.
So what's my final message and how you see Gambian Talents Promotion the Kirio Corner come visit you today?
Well, I happy. Now that make Salima Tubangwana yesterday afternoon you called me. I've been come out to some me Creole friends themselves. At the Kano now you call me. Na small mosque with the bill so. I did to the small mosque. Now you call me. When you call me, I don't waste any time. if me na somebody wey no get interest in this Creole corner, I been for talk say low left am for next month or left am for next week or 2 weeks back or even next year. But if you see you call me like yesterday afternoon, I give you the green light for say for come today. I like the Creole corner. If God help this Creole corner, I go to contribute from time to time. I talk, but this one you take me unawares. I dey talk past this because at school I was a complete art student. At school, my final year, I did English language, English literature, Latin. Okay, let me give you small Latin idiom. Ut omnibus prosim, that I may be of service to mankind. Non pareamus stulti sed sapientibus. We do not obey the foolish but the wise. Radix malorum est cupiditas. The root of evil is greed. At times, Latin, I can do research. One book then called Canterbury Tales. Now I will forget this Radix malorum est cupiditas. One pardoner, even the lecturer and listeners them. Then he quote the Latin, then he translate. He say Radix malorum est cupiditas. Me na a treasurer na Jambangeli Credit Union. We AGM. If I read me financial report at the back out Latin, like Proditores omnibus audio sunt. Traitors are hated by everyone. Why I quote that traitors are hated by everyone? Like board meeting, anybody who know the give for attendance, a traitor. Because the one that would attend, later and they will get benefit. Then they go Kongosa, they know they help me, and they know more than they help. Because, as I say in Latin, Proditores omnibus audio sunt. We Latin, they beat me very badly in high school. And I make up till now, at the age of 70, look, it didn't have my brain. In 1950 I born. Then by now, I'm 70. This Creole corner, if God agree, this Creole corner, Mr. go to contribute. Sometimes I go to the studio for contribute. Let them know for say, Creole is not going to ever die in Gambia. Creole plenty in Gambia, and then get sound education. With then sound education, then capable for implement anything will bring big development to the Gambian nation. So now all the things I get for talk. Me na kande tagawali. Me o mama adama saho da me de kola anchara masaho na bundu mi die we begande. It do big work in this country during the First Republic. The First Republic, Sadauda to go any side. My mama have not left behind. So ask people them around una area for Antiara Masaho. Then will tell you. Say in first boy picking now you interview. Okay. So now all this I get for tell you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm glad too much for una can amuse. You see, in organize. If me na been some people because me place no organize, I go say una no come or let we left till later. But I not look that because Gambia na a very small country. We all na the same mama, same papa. Now make we leader themselves, then forget sympathy for we. For all we say, we all na the same mama, same papa. Now make we give them majority vote. So anybody who will give majority vote, if you know adhere to what they tell you with the majority, by God's power, next election, you know we get that power again. So now all this I get for talk.
una una kabo, una welcome back. This is the program una been wait for. Them big one they been wait for. Them pikin they been wait for. This is the Kirio Corner. Kirio Corner. This is the program where they bring for all the una wasi. This Kirio Corner, they touch all sides by the Kirio community. This corner they talk about the culture. And you don't say any tribe, the culture, na the backbone of any tribe. This corner you go bring for una aku politician. This corner go bring for una aku fashion designers them. This corner they bring for una aku celebrities them. If una wasabi if aku footballers then they na the country, una follow me with na this corner. Una they get aku artists them. If una want see aku cook man them. If una don't dare na us for long, una don't forget una cultural food there. Una can na this corner. If una know how for cook fufu, una can na this corner. If una want know how for cook lasas, una can na this corner. This corner they bring for una anything what you una want see. This corner go bring for una everything what you una want see. Well, this corner una go bring a for una na una aku pikin, aka Salima to Bangura, the aku pekito. No, guess what? Na the aku pikin.
Supersonics Money Transfer is giving you an unbeatable offer this Tobaski. Your family and friends can now send you monies from the whole of Europe, US, Canada, and Switzerland for absolutely free. Yes! This Tobaski, enjoy our safe, fast, reliable, and convenient money transfer service with the largest payout network in the Gambia at zero transfer charges. So your family and friends wouldn't have to worry about transfer charges when sending you monies from Europe, USA, Canada, and Switzerland this Tobaski. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple Store today to download the Supersonics Money Transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics. Support your own. Tobaski just got better with Supersonics Money Transfer.